Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Isabella Chinenendu, and today, drum rolls please. Yeah, we are diving into data cleaning with Excel. So whether you're a beginner or you just need to refresh your memory, this video is definitely for you. Today we're going to be cleaning a messy dataset which I generated with DeepSeek. So we're going to be working with removing duplicates. I wanted us to work with inconsistencies with dates, but because of my Excel is upgraded to the latest version, it automatically fixes that problem for me. So we're going to be working with missing values, duplicate values, and we're going to be working with tackling outliners. So let's get started. So guys, this is data set we're going to be working with. As you can see in that column that I highlighted, those are the issues with this data. So we're going to start with the first issue. So we're going to start by highlighting our data set, then heading on to the data tab. Yeah, we're going to click remove duplicates. As you can see, all the column headers are already selected, but depending on the data set you're working with, you can choose which of the columns you want to remove duplicates from. So we're going to go ahead to click on OK. As you can see, our duplicate has removed from our data set. Next, we're going to be looking for missing values in our data set. So we're going to highlight our data sets, then go to the Go To dialog box, click on Special, and then we're going to click on Blanks and click OK. As you can see, we have two highlighted cells that show where our missing values are supposed to be. So I'm just going to filter our data sets in the customer ID column to check for any sequence I need to follow in the data set. Now I'm just showing you that there's no sequence with the product name matching with the customer name, but there's a sequence with the region matching with the customer name. Yeah, we're going to unfilter our data sets, then go ahead to trace each of the names to the region to know what is missing in our data sets. We have John Doe, Jane Smith, Alice Johnson, Bob Brown. John Doe, Jane Smith, Alice Johnson, Bob Brown. So what we have to write in our missing data cell will be Bob Brown and the region associated with him. Now we're going to be dealing with outliners. So an outliner is a data point that is slightly different from the data in the data set. So we highlighted the quantity column and I selected them because it's huge compared to the 1 and 2 and 3 I'm seeing in the data set. So you can see for this product, the laptop is showing 10. So what I'm going to do is adjust the product quantity back to 1 and also the price of the products, and I'm going to unfilter my data. Remember, you have to ask your stakeholders or whoever is in charge of the data before you make such corrections. Remember, I generated this data using DeepSeek. Now for our date inconsistency. So if you're using an outdated Excel version, if you're having inconsistencies with your date, what you have to do is select the column, go to your data tab, go to text to columns and click on delimiter. In delimiter, don't select any of the options, just click on next. Now you can see some other options, click on dates and finish. That's how you're going to correct your date inconsistencies in your data sets. Let's build this dashboard by creating pivot tables from our clean data sets. So first off, we're going to highlight our data, then go to the Insert tab, click on Pivot Table, then click on OK. This is going to open up the Pivot Table field in a different worksheet. As you can see here, I've already built my pivot table for my pivot field. So I'm just explaining how I use this pivot table to create this dashboard. So I use the count function to get the total number of customers, products sold, region that we have. As you can see, when I selected, you can see the range I selected for my functions. The rest of the pivot table was used to create graphs for my dashboard. It was also used to generate the total revenue that was generated from our data set. As you can see, I just named it Nkechi Store and Co sales dashboard for 2023. If you would like an in-depth video explaining how I created my pivot table and using this to create my dashboard, kindly comment down below in the comment section. Thank you guys. And there you have it. You just made your data set clean and ready for analysis, which we created a pivot table, then went ahead to create a dashboard, an interactive dashboard. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, please. Thank you. Mwah.